This exercise is going to be much like the alternating flat chest press. This is going to be the incline alternating chest press. Now again, with this exercise, you're isolating singular pectoral muscle. So if you have any dominance over one or the other and you want to even those out, these alternating dumbbell exercises are going to be the great ones for you. You're going to get into your standard incline position and you're going to want to really focus on getting that mind muscle connection into feeling this upper pectoral muscle. And you're going to want to push, get a full range of motion, be all the way down, have your elbows 45-degree angle to your body. Again, you don't want to be completely 90 degrees. That's how you get injuries, so we're going to want to stay away from that. All right. For this, you're going to want to make sure that your core is engaged and your feet are firmly planted so you don't topple on one side when you're lifting the dumbbells. Focus on passing those dumbbells a little bit past your nose and chin, all the way down your chest line. That's going to really engage those upper pectorals. As you can see here, I'm very slow and careful with the reps, so make sure you have that mind-muscle connection.